Adama, UK, talking about the management of Septoria resistance, and I'm going to let this gentleman introduce himself.
Hi, I'm Andy Bailey, technical specialist with Adama, and one of my roles within Adama is focusing on cereal fungicides.
And Andy, tell us a little bit about your concern about Septoria resistance and its management. And if you just speak up a little bit, because the acoustics aren't great in here, that'd be fab.
Okay, so Septoria management in cereals is a big challenge for growers, and it's getting more so. We have erosion of efficacy of the azoles, and we are also now finding less sensitive strains to SDHIs within populations. So this is quite a concern, although field performance of SDHIs, it should be stressed, they're still working well in the field, but because of the fact that we're finding these insensitive strains, then we need to be managing that, and we need to be managing that now.
And Andy, you've been looking at the use of multi-sites in the management of Septorian resistance. Could you tell us a little bit more about how to use them, when to use them, and how they can be used to try and ameliorate some of these issues you've been talking about?
Yeah, so obviously multi-sites are a key component in Septoria resistance management. They're very low risk to resistance, they're contact protectants, and therefore they need to be applied before the disease is actually in the crop. So we start to use them early in programs, and for me the multi-site should be the first choice of product, and then you include your multi-site in your spray application, and you build the other components around that. It's really key to get the multi-site in there first.
Right, and now we're going to just move over to a lovely chart that Adama have put together here for this event, and we're going to crouch down, and Andy's going to tell us about one of the charts here, so bear with us while we crouch down.
Okay.
There you go.
So we've talked about multi-site chemistry. One of the multi-site products available is folpet from Adama. This is a product which is really useful in protecting existing chemistries for Septoria control, and we have done some work with chuggers in Ireland, which has shown that when you add folpet to azoles or SDHIs, then you can actually reduce the selection pressure exerted by both those chemistries. So therefore you're helping to lengthen or prolong the effective life of both SDHIs and azoles.
That's great, Andy. And can you let our viewers know what they should be doing differently, if anything, this coming spring?
I think what they should be doing is making sure that they get the product choices right. Remember that at T0, T1 and T2, in my opinion, there should be a multi-site in the tank, and then you build your azole and SDHI components as appropriate around that. It's really important to have multi-site chemistry in there, and then we can slow the erosion of azole resistance, and we can prevent SDHI resistance becoming a reality in terms of reduced field performance.
And Andy, if people are coming to CropTech, where should they head to find out more?
They should come and see me on the Adama stand, and I'd be very happy to talk people through folpet and how it can contribute to Septoria resistance management.
And after CropTech, or if people aren't coming, where can they go for more information?
They could go to our website. There's a lot of information on our website. We've got a Septoria infographic which takes them through the use of multi-sites, the use of folpet in Septoria management programs, or they can actually, my details are on the website, they can call me, I'd be very happy to talk them through it.
Brilliant, thank you very much, Andy.
Thank you.
From CropTech Show on the Adama stand, come over if you're here. Thank you.
Great. How was it?
Andy, I was watching it, you would see her there.
Was it alright?